If you're still managing employee training through spreadsheets or scattered videos, stop. With ProProfs, there's a smarter way to train your team, and it's easier than you think. ProProfs LMS is considered one of the best learning management systems for employee training because it brings everything you need into one simple online platform. Instead of juggling different tools for creating training and sharing it and tracking employee progress, ProProfs lets you do it all in one place. It's completely cloud based, so there's no software to install and no technical required. You can log in from any device and start building and delivering training right away. And the fact that companies like Adobe, Zoho, and Lenovo rely on it just show how reliable and scalable the system actually is, whether you're training a small team or an entire organization. One of the biggest benefits of ProProfs LMS is how fast and easy it is to build training courses. You don't need design skills or technical knowledge. Everything works with a drag and drop builder. You can upload videos, PDFs, and slides and other documents, or you can even add quizzes and surveys to make the learning experience more interactive. This means you can turn your existing content into full training programs without any extra tools. And if you don't have time to create a course from scratch, ProProfs gives you access to a large library of expert-made courses. These cover topics like onboarding, compliance, safety, customer service, and a lot more. So you can start training your team in minutes. ProProfs LMS does a lot of the heavy lifting for you. It can automatically send reminders to employees who haven't started or finished their training. It tracks their progress behind the scenes and even issues certificates the moment they complete a course. You also get detailed real-time analytics that show you exactly how your team are doing. Who has started the training, who has completed it, where learners are getting stuck. This is especially important for compliance training like OSHA, HIPAA, or harassment prevention, where you must prove that employees have completed required courses. ProProfs keeps all the records organized for you, making audits and reporting much easier. With ProProfs, you can make the training look and feel like a part of your company. So you can add your logo, you can choose your brand colors, and even host the LMS on a custom domain, which will create a polished and professional experience for your team. To keep learners engaged, the platform includes features like gamification, points, badges, assessments, and mobile-friendly lessons. So employees can learn anytime, anywhere, whether they're at their desk or on the go. And if you ever need help, ProProfs has 24/7 customer support from real people. So whether you're stuck, confused, or need something customized, the support system responds quickly and actually helps you solve the issue. Just a few additional points. Secure platform with two-factor authentication and private course options. There are mobile-friendly training so employees can learn from anywhere, and there is affordable pricing designed for small teams and large enterprises alike. So if you're looking for the best LMS software to train your team quickly and effectively, try ProProfs LMS today. It's free to start, easy to use, and it is built for results that actually last.